talk to lawyers, they call it extraordinary rendition, but for a family member like
It's been a year since former Filipino Senator Antonio Trillanes IV made waves by revealing that Vice President Sara Duterte might be included in the International Criminal Court investigation into the Philippine drug war. Trillanes claimed that Sara, as Davao City mayor between 2016 and 2022, allegedly played a role in endorsing the controversial tokhang operations where police officers would knock on doors of suspected drug dealers and users. Trillanes pointed to testimony from witnesses who came forward during the ICC probe suggesting Sara's involvement in approving the operations. Despite the claims, the ICC has yet to clarify whether it will investigate Sara's tenure as mayor in relation to these drug war activities. Still, the Filipino vice president has openly discussed the possibility, stating that she believes she might be the next person arrested as part of the investigation, as reported on Philstar. But it seems the story is far from over. While the investigation is focused on the drug-related killings during her father's presidency, there's ongoing speculation about the extent of the inquiry. Meanwhile, Sara is standing firm. In a recent speech to her father's supporters in The Hague, she revealed that lawyers for her father, former President Rodrigo Duterte, are actively working on securing his release ahead of the next ICC hearing in September. Duterte, who is facing accusations of human rights violations linked to the drug war, has been at the center of this international legal storm. Sara expressed her concerns, revealing how her father's situation has turned into a flashpoint for her political views. Referring to the ongoing legal efforts to prevent her father's extradition, she told reporters, "We are currently working on things for him." But her message wasn't just about her father's situation. It also called for pressure on the Marcos administration to ensure that those allegedly involved in the drug war killings wouldn't face trial abroad, which Sara believes is a violation of their rights. Sara voiced her frustration over what she sees as an unfair and unlawful action against her father, who's a former president and a Filipino citizen. She said, and I quote, "I'm truly thankful for your expression of support, solidarity. I don't have the word, but I can think of disgust over what happened, how he was taken from his country and brought to another foreign jurisdiction against his will." Sara further emphasized that her father's situation is a reminder of the dangers of external interference and the need for accountability in the Philippines. The Filipino vice president continued to warn of further arrests in connection to the drug war. She said, "I heard, and I don't know if it's true, that there are other arrest warrants coming out for other accused in the case." Though her statement remains speculative, it adds to the growing tension surrounding the investigation. At the heart of ICC's investigation are allegations of extrajudicial killings, and according to their official documents, at least 9 individuals have been tagged as co-perpetrators in the drug war killings. While their names remain redacted, one person of particular interest is former Philippine National Police Chief and current Filipino Senator Ronald De La Rosa, who has been referred to as the chief architect of the drug war. His role, as well as those of other high-ranking officials, will likely continue to be scrutinized in the coming months.